What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to make spooky confetti cake fat bombs using the air fryer. I know it's a little bit different method, but you know, everyone loves the air fryer, so I figured we might as well show you a different way to use it. So what you're going to do is, what we have here is we have measured out a ½ cup of coconut oil, and we actually already made this recipe and tried to make a video for it using cacao butter. But something happened to the footage, we're not sure what, just kind of cut out on us, so we're remaking this now. And we're going to use coconut oil because we ran out of the cacao butter. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your air fryer on, and you're going to hit the dehydrate button. And you're going to want to put that on a temperature of 135. And for the coconut oil, you're going to want to put it as low amount of time as on your air fryer for the dehydrate mode. For ours, it's an hour. And a ½ cup of coconut oil takes about 5 to 7 minutes to melt in here. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in and let it melt, and we'll come right back. Okay, so now that the coconut oil is melted, there's a couple different things we're going to do to make these spooky. The first thing is we found these 99-cent molds at Walmart. These are skulls, and these are little brains. And we made a few of these, and they come out really good. Alright, next thing we're going to be doing to make them spooky is using these spooky sprinkles. And the jack-o'-lantern sprinkles from the Sprinkle Company. And then to make them confetti cake, we're going to be using this Alani Nutrition confetti cake protein powder. And we're going to be using, I've played with this a little bit, I'm going to be using a scoop and a quarter here. I've done just a scoop and I've done a scoop and a half. And I feel like the scoop and a quarter is about the right amount. I'll be posting the macros down below in the description. So all we're going to do is go ahead and mix this protein powder in with the coconut oil. Ideally, you want to keep it moving while you're stirring it, but I only have 2 hands, so. All right, and once it's combined, you can go ahead and fill your molds. And then once you fill up your molds, you can just sprinkle some of the sprinkles on top. By the way, this is not necessary. Really just gives them a little color. Makes them a little bit spooky. And once you've got the sprinkles in, you can go ahead and put them in the freezer. And you want to wait about 2 hours on those. The good thing about that is while you're waiting, there's always time to eat a piece of cheese. All right. And after 2 hours has passed, you'll get something that looks like this.
I'm about to rest like Venus, but I don't play no tennis. My smile done brought me millions, so shout out to my dentist. You lightweight, get your weight up and stay out Gucci business.
Alright guys, that's how you make spooky confetti cake fat bombs. Thanks for watching.
Get ate up, I'm not really friendly. You haters, get your hate up. You ants couldn't even pinch me. I own the team I play for, so you could never bench me. I spend cash like it's play for. Feel like that's what it's made for. Them broke days made me grateful. Them court days made me hateful.